Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless to your iPhone in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand one thing, that this particular headset uses the 2.4 gigahertz USB wireless dongle and not the Bluetooth connectivity. Because of this, it can't pair directly with your iPhone via Bluetooth settings. So in this situation, what you can do is you can try a lightning to USB adapter or USB-C adapter for the newer iPhones. You just have to plug the USB dongle into the adapter and then you can connect it to your iPhone. However, iOS usually does not support gaming USB dongles properly, so this may not work reliably. So currently there is no official way for you to connect this headset wirelessly to an iPhone, and this is a hardware limitation of the headset. So if you want to use it to your iPhone, you can try connecting it using the 3.5 mm cable with the appropriate adapter, and this can provide the stable audio, though the wireless features won't work. After connecting via cable, you can open the control center and confirm that the headset is selected as the audio output device. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.